This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a phone number in LibreOffice Writer. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now, and I have a little example document to hyperlink text to a phone number to make the text a clickable link to where you can call a phone number. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this phone number here. You could use any text that you want, but I'm going to hyperlink this phone number right here. First thing you want to do is select the phone number. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm going to drag across this text. I have the text selected that I want to hyperlink. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab. You want to click on Insert. Then you want to go down to where it says Hyperlink and click on Hyperlink. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on the Internet tab. And then next to where it says URL, you want to put your cursor in here, and you want to use this formula right here. Tell, : // followed by the country code. I live in the United States, so my country code is 1. Then the 3-digit area code. Then the 7-digit phone number. Then you want to go down to the bottom, click on Apply, and then you'll click on OK. Now as you can see, that text has been hyperlinked. It shows that it's been hyperlinked by that line underneath it. If I put my mouse cursor over it, it tells you it's hyperlinked to this phone number right here, and it says Control+click to open the hyperlink. I'm going to put my cursor over that text. I'm going to hold down the Control key, and I'm going to left click on the text to open the hyperlink. It opens up my phone app. And this phone number right here is the phone number that I had hyperlinked it to. All I would need to do is go down to the bottom down here and click on this call button to call that number. That is how to hyperlink text to a phone number in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.